Hey yo, it's your boy Darkahontas Day, and today, baby, we bringing you another collab. I would like to give a special thank to Madam Glam for sending your boy some more polishes. Yes, honey. And in this video, we will be doing a giveaway. So if you want to win this mini UV LED lamp, and also a mystery press on set, you have to wait until the end of the video. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty Yaddy Yaddy and share. Because sharing is caring, and you know that's the only type of caring we like in this household. Do you hear me? Okay. If anything, baby, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, let's go. Guess who's back in the house? Click, clack, clacking about. Y'all, what's up, y'all? I have the honor of coming with yet another partnership slash collab with Madam Glam. Baby, yes, they reached out to your boy again. And they was like, baby, we liked how you was the last time and we want to work with you again. So, baby, they came and they got us some nice gel polishes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And as I mentioned at the beginning, baby, we going to be doing a little giveaway too. Okay. So, as you can see, this is obviously the glam box. It comes in a box like this, you know, package. It got all the madamglam.com. They got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, you know. It lets you know on the side. It's vegan, cruelty free. It's vegan, cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 free formation, HEMA free. Okay, y'all? They doing everything right. So let's open this bad boy. So just like the last time I got this product, this is how they package it. So they give you a top coat and they also give you a base coat as well. And they sent me 3 polishes of my choice. And they also give me like a mini UV LED lamp. So this is actually going to be the giveaway, or at least a part of the giveaway. And another part of the giveaway is that I want to customize a pair of press-on nails that will be added to that giveaway. So we'll talk more about the giveaway while we're doing nails and stuff. So I'll put that to the side. So these are the polishes. Obviously, it has the it tells you the regular soak-off gels. It gives you the application steps. And then this is for me. Welcome to our influencer community. It's our pleasure to have you join the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing product, magic happens, which it does. And they also have, like, I love this. So they have an upcycling and a recycling QR code so they can show you how to do that. So I love that. I love that. I love working with this brand so far. So this is the top coat and this is the base coat. And then these are the 3 polishes that I got. The 3 polishes I got. So it comes in like this foam material so that you know your stuff is packaged, okay? You know your stuff is safe, okay? She's safe. And these are the 3 packages. This is really cute, y'all. So this one, I think the thing fell off the top of this one. Usually it has to, there it goes. Let me put it back on here. Boop. And that's also something they do clack off if you want to. So these are the 3 colors I have. So this is the first color, which is a beautiful, it's a beautiful light lavender. It's a really light lavender color. Then we have this beautiful, almost like purple galaxy glitter. Then I kind of have like this pinky nude. So yes, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. This is what we're going to be putting on our phalanges here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the side. Period. Period, period, period. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the Madam Glam Soak Off Face Coat. And we're gonna go ahead and put that on all the nails. Now, because I've worked with this company for and I have a video obviously for it, I'm not gonna go over just the whole spill about, you know, this company, because I already kind of went over that. But yeah, with this company, I do have a specific link that you can use, which will be listed in the description box below. I also will make sure that I list this link on all my social media anytime I post. I will be trying to make some type of video, maybe a new video, updated video. But if anything, for this one, it did not change. I still have a discount code, which is Darkahontas 35. So you do get 35% off of your purchases. You cannot mix this with other promotional, you know, other promotions, because usually when they do promotions, they do offer a lot of money off. So you cannot mix this with promotions. But if you use the link, it'll automatically, if I'm not mistaken, it'll automatically put the discount code and apply it for you in the cart. Also, to use my discount code, you can use pay as you go. Or if you like, you can do the VIP subscription, which will give you a lot of good products and bonuses and things like that. You know, it's whatever floats your boat. But don't forget to use that discount code, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for about 60 seconds, and we're going to come back and get into it, okay? Okay. All right, so I go ahead and I cured that. So now we're going to be using the first color from Madam Glam, which this color is going to be Blissfully Yours, which is that beautiful, really light lavender color. And I'm going to be using a detailed, well, like a designer brush. I forgot what these brushes called, y'all. My mind, it's been a long day. And I'm going to kind of start mapping out the design. So it's going to be kind of, we're doing like a trendy like French tip vibe. So I'm going to start here, bring it in, and then bring it out like that. You know, we'll do something like that. And then we'll go ahead and just color it in like that. And that's how we'll start it off. And then for the other ones, you can just kind of do whatever. So since I went from the top here, I'm going to start from the bottom here. So I'm going to start from the bottom and just kind of just do whatever shape. Do like maybe like a swoop. Just pick up product as I go. And just kind of do something like that right there. I like this, I like that, I like this, and then you just do that. But yes, y'all, what it is though, but what's up? I'm kind of excited about, you know, this is my second collab with them. So shout out to Madam Glam for working with your boy yet again. You heard me. You heard me. Bam. You know, baby, y'all know I love me some nails, okay? Y'all know that. Know I love me some nails, honey. But yeah, so just gonna do this like that, like this, and like that, like that, and a this. And then a little bit of this. And then I'm gonna curve this part right here. I don't know, I'm just letting my spirit tussie guide me, okay? I'm just letting my spirit tussie guide me, y'all. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't. And don't. And don't. I just said, baby, I'm just about to do something. What? I have no idea. But I'm just going to let my spirit guide me. Okay? And then it's like, that's pretty much the design. You're going to do that. You're going to cure it. And then you're going to do a second layer. And then you'll do the same exact thing with the other color. Which I'll do all of it on camera with y'all. So bam. So that's the first part. Oh, that's the first part. How that looks. Now let's go ahead and get into the second part. Which now I'm going to go in with the second color. Which is I Do. And this is like a... Ooh, if I should have opened it before. This is like a pinky nude. It's a very pinky nude. It's a very cute color. It's a very cute color. And I'm going to dip into that bad boy using another brush like the same one. And I'm just going to... Right, just go opposite of what I did and just kind of see where it takes me. Just kind of let it use you. Let it use you now. Let it use you. Wherever it take you, let it take you, okay? Your name is Bennett and you definitely in it, okay? Okay, but yeah, how's everybody been doing? How is November treating my lovelies? How are you doing, guys? And also in regards to the giveaway, guys. I'm going to be doing a special giveaway to one of my lucky followers. You know, all you got to do is comment, like, and share. And you also have to tag me in all of them as well. You know, you have to tag me in all of them. So once you comment, you have to tag me to let me know, you know. I'm talking about on YouTube. I'm talking about on Instagram. I'm talking about on TikTok. You know, just your basics. Just your basics. That's all you have to do. Once you do that, then bam. See, it's nothing too hard. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. And then I'm going to do a second layer. And then we're going to go on to the next step, okay? Okay. Okay, y'all. So it's looking so cute right now. So I did my whole hand. So this is what it looks like. This is just so cute. This is, oh my God, it's so cute. So now we're going to go in with this one, which is Cosmic Sparkle. And this one, this is where the magic is going to happen. So this is a glitter one. And I'm going to be putting it over both the colors. And then the edge, we're going to be lining it up with rhinestones. So we're going to be lining all of this up with rhinestones. And then all of this is going to be glitter. Because you know what? Glitter is a what? A what? A gay's best friend. Yes, that's right. You're right. You're right. But yeah, we're going to put this over all the color parts. That's going to be the first little part of glitter. Oh, that's so freaking pretty. Look at that, y'all. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh, that is so... Oh my God, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Oh God, that's so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, I would like wear this like by itself over a nude. Oh yeah. definitely what I would do. Definitely what I might do. Ooh, it'll probably look, oh my God. This is so pretty, y'all. Oh God, this is so I'm like, yeah, I'm having a glittergasm right now. Like, oh my God. Oh my God, this is oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, all I can say is oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh my God, I want to marry this glitter. Will you be my bae? Oh God, this glitter is so cute. Yeah, I'm like for real. Like I'm not even hyping it. This is a really pretty color though. Like on some real shit, G. Like for real, bro. Like for real, for real. This is really pretty. And this set is even more prettier. Like, oh my God. Pretty. Oh yeah. That's a look. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cure that. And I'm just gonna use I'm gonna align it with some rhinestones, y'all. And we gotta get into the final reveal, okay? Okay. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. All right, y'all. So this is the finished set, y'all. This set's too cute, y'all. It's too cute. It's giving. I'm so happy about this set. But if anything, let's get to the giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away this mini UV LED lamp, and also I'm going to be giving away a custom press on set by yours truly. If anything, you won't know what the set looks like because I'm going to just create the design and I'm going to add it into the package. The only thing that I am asking for you to do is I want you to like, comment, share, and tag your boy. You have to be subscribed to my channel to be a part of this giveaway. I will check. And when you comment hashtag Darkahontas, and that's on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You know, once you've done all those things, you can come back on this video and comment done to let your boy know. And I will check all those things. Once I check those things off and I see you've done all of them, then baby, I'll be hitting you up for that address. But yes, y'all, you get the chance to win some stuff. But yes, this set came out so cute. Thank you again to Madam Glam for like giving your voice some more PR. I'm just trying to get more and more and more. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe up, and share, because sharing is caring. You know that's the only type of caring we like in this household, okay? If anything, baby, look, it's the weekend. You got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. So let's go ahead and get to doing the stuff we need to do, okay? Okay, if anything, until next time, my dears, peace.